All right, guys, I wanted to show you something super cool. So I just happened to walk by one of our cylinder head manifold block-off plates, and I thought to myself, you know what I could do is I could mock up an entire Jet Motors turbo kit on one of these plates so you can actually see it from the engine's point of view, which has never been seen before. So here we have the entire kit from front to back completely mocked up so you can see it almost three-dimensionally what's included in the entire Jet Motors turbo kit. Isn't that cool? I mean, what are we looking at here? So we'll just start at the front. You got your air filter going into a GT15 turbo. We've got our new spring on here for the wastegate. This is your oil drain going down to your flywheel housing. Now, if you don't have a flywheel housing vent, we've been draining the oil all the way over here to the fuel pump block off. So we've got another drain plate just like this, but going to the fuel pump. Here is your manifold, of course, your intake manifold, your Jet Motors turbo prepared carburetor, and the intake plenum on the face of the blow-through carburetor, to your 90-degree elbow, to your intake charge pipe here with an auxiliary air temp or air gauge you can put on there. This is your blow-off valve. This is all the piping going into the plenum as well. This is all your vacuum lines. And of course, your turbo GT15 downpipe going to the stock position of your front pipe from your muffler. This is the oil feed. This little fitting here goes down here to your front of the block, which is right over here actually. Or no, it would be on this side. It's weird looking at it from this angle. And this is where you put your oil. This is your oil pressure tap or T, and that feeds direct oil pressure to the turbo. Of course, there's a reducer right there that comes in the kit. Of course, you also get in the kit your fuel pressure regulator for turbo. This is a rising rate 1-to-1. Your high pressure fuel pump with T for your return line, and a really high quality metal fuel filter. But isn't that cool? Check this out. I mean, I just love the fact that you have the whole kit just right there, all in one piece. And gosh, that's cool. Now, as you look down the line here, you can see all of the turbo prepared carburetors. Every single one of these carburetors has been prepared for the turbo. So let's look at it. Check this out. So we prepare all the turbos. There's a lot of work that goes into every turbo before we send it out the door. Trust me, you'll have to look at one of the videos that I did with Rob to explain what goes into prepping the turbos before we ship them. Also, there's a ton of work that goes into these carburetors to prepare them for blow-through turbo design. So here you are with a whole slew of turbo-prepared carburetors and GT15 turbos all getting prepared for you. So if you haven't got one yet and you want one, go to jetmotorsmini.com, click the Jet Turbo related icon or tab, and under there you're going to see the how-to videos, how to install, what's included in the kit, pricing. There's 3 kits. There's the base kit, the blow-through carburetor kit, which you just saw, and then the same thing, but with the specialist components EFI throttle body. So you can do crank fire ignition with fuel injection on turbo. So one of those 3 kits is going to fit your needs, and you can see them all at jetmotorsmini.com. We'll see you there.